Hey guys, obsessed with Minecraft, or your kids are obsessed with Minecraft, I'm going to show you today how to make these really cool guys out of nothing but recycled cardboard boxes. And I made this like little penguin literally out of nothing but one box. So not a lot of hard work, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Stick around to the end and I will show you all the tools that I use, and give me a comment below or a thumbs up, and I'm always around if you guys have questions. So here we go. So I'm gonna make the arms first. Check it out. Just a box. This box is Amazon box 143. It's like a 16 by 12 and it makes perfect for 2 arms. So I'm gonna cut it in half and I'll have my 2 arms and I'll paint them black and that's it. So. This is going to be the body. It's a P5. It's a huge box if you're lucky enough to get one of these, or maybe your neighbor has one. Also, Prime Pantry now comes in these ginormous boxes, which are also awesome. Anyway, and here is a $2.96. That's another option. Just save your giant boxes because they're perfect for the body. So I'm just basically going to cut this down a little. Like in half. That's going to be the body, and then these guys are going to be the arms, okay? As promised, here's a bonus for you guys. I'm going going to show you some of the tools I use all the time to make my cardboard stuff. The number one thing is this. It's called gesso, and it's the primer that I'm putting on the cardboard that makes it really strong. I know kids can be really hard on stuff, and probably a lot of you are wondering, how long is this going to last? It's cardboard, but if you prime it first with gesso before you paint it, it actually makes it super strong. And you don't even have to paint it. If you want to color it with markers, just gesso it first. You can do that too. I use what's called a canary knife to cut big pieces of cardboard. It cuts through cardboard like butter. It's pretty amazing. I use just a regular X-Acto knife for smaller stuff, but this is what you see me using all the time in my videos. Just a standard glue gun, not a crafting glue gun. Those don't work very well at all. They don't get hot enough. The glue has to be super hot to hold cardboard. If you're putting on glue and you're noticing that it's not holding, the glue's not hot enough. And then for this project, I'm just using regular acrylic paint. And that's it. Gesso also comes in black, so you probably saw me using that too. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again soon.